Hello, fellow gardeners. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that gardeners and cooks will find very useful: how to store zucchini. So, if you've got a bumper crop of zucchini, or if you've bought too many from the store, stick around. Let's talk fresh storage. When it comes to keeping your produce fresh, especially zucchini, there are a few key things to keep in mind. The crisper drawer in your fridge is key. This special compartment is designed to maintain the right humidity levels for your vegetables. Zucchini hates moisture. It leads to mold and mushiness. Excess moisture can be a real enemy here, causing your zucchini to spoil faster than you'd like. No washing until you're ready to use it. Washing it beforehand can introduce moisture that speeds up the decaying process. Instead, give it a gentle rub with a dry cloth to remove any dirt. This way, you keep it clean without adding unnecessary moisture. Keep zucchini separate from ethylene-producing fruits like bananas and avocados. Ethylene gas can accelerate ripening and spoilage. Zucchini likes it cool, around 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range is ideal for maintaining its freshness and texture. Too warm, and it'll turn to mush. Too cold, and you risk damaging the cell structure. Both extremes can ruin your zucchini. With proper care, you can keep zucchini fresh in the fridge for about a week. This means following all these steps diligently. After that, it's a slow decline into the land of meh. The quality will start to deteriorate and it won't be as enjoyable to eat. When you're at the grocery store, choose zucchinis that are firm and have a vibrant green color. Avoid any with soft spots or blemishes, as these are signs of decay. Once you've selected your zucchinis, place them in a reusable produce bag. This helps to protect them from getting bruised during transport. When you get home, store them in the crisper drawer of your fridge as soon as possible. The sooner they are in the right environment, the longer they will stay fresh. It's also a good idea to regularly check the temperature of your fridge. Make sure it stays within the 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit range to keep all your produce fresh. Another tip is to wrap your zucchini in a paper towel before placing it in the crisper drawer. The paper towel will absorb any excess moisture, keeping the zucchini dry and fresh. When you're ready to use your zucchini, slice it up and enjoy it in your favorite recipes. Whether you're making a stir-fry, salad, or zucchini bread, fresh zucchini makes all the difference. Fresh zucchini not only tastes better, but also retains more of its nutrients. So taking these extra steps to store it properly is well worth the effort. Remember, keeping it fresh is all about the right storage techniques. Follow these tips and you'll enjoy delicious, fresh zucchini for longer. Got more zucchini than you can eat in a week? Let's freeze it. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable, but when your garden is producing more than you can handle, it can be overwhelming. Freezing zucchini is a great way to preserve its freshness and enjoy it throughout the year. Blanching is key to preserving flavor and texture. This process helps to stop enzyme actions which can cause loss of flavor, color, and texture. It also helps to retain the nutrients in the zucchini. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and prepare an ice bath. The ice bath is crucial as it stops the cooking process immediately, ensuring that the zucchini remains crisp and doesn't become mushy. Depending on your use, blanch zucchini whole or in slices. If you plan to use it in soups or stews, you might prefer to keep it whole. For stir-fries or quick sautés, slicing it beforehand can save you time later. Lower zucchini into boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes for slices, 3 to 4 minutes for whole. Be sure to keep an eye on the clock. Over-blanching can lead to a loss of texture and flavor. Transfer to ice bath immediately to stop cooking. This step is non-negotiable as it ensures the zucchini retains its vibrant color and firm texture. Drain well and spread on a clean kitchen towel to remove excess moisture. Pat them dry gently to avoid bruising the zucchini. Removing as much moisture as possible will prevent ice crystals from forming during freezing. Pack in freezer bags, removing as much air as possible. You can use a straw to suck out the air or invest in a vacuum sealer for the best results. This step is crucial to prevent freezer burn and maintain the quality of the zucchini. Label with date and contents and stack in the freezer. Proper labeling helps you keep track of how long the zucchini has been stored, ensuring you use the oldest stock first. Frozen zucchini will last for about 10 to 12 months. This means you can enjoy your garden's bounty even in the dead of winter. Use it in soups, stews, casseroles, or even smoothies for a nutritious boost. From zucchini bread to ratatouille, the possibilities are endless. Freezing zucchini not only helps in reducing waste, but also ensures you have a healthy ingredient ready to go for your favorite recipes. So the next time you find yourself with an abundance of zucchini, don't stress. Follow these simple steps to freeze it, and you'll have a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals all year round. Canning zucchini is a great long-term storage method. It allows you to enjoy the fresh taste of zucchini all year round, even when it's out of season. By preserving zucchini, you can reduce food waste and always have a healthy ingredient on hand for your favorite recipes. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding process that can be done right in your own kitchen. Use a tested recipe from a reliable source. This ensures that the canning process is safe and that the end product is delicious. There are many resources available, including cookbooks and online guides, that provide step-by-step instructions for canning zucchini. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully to avoid any potential issues. I like to can zucchini in a pineapple juice brine for a tangy twist. The sweetness of the pineapple juice complements the mild flavor of the zucchini, creating a unique and tasty treat. Before you start, make sure to sterilize jars and lids. This is a crucial step to prevent contamination and ensure the longevity of your canned goods. You can do this by boiling the jars and lids in water for at least 10 minutes. Prepare zucchini by washing, trimming, and slicing. It's important to use fresh, firm zucchini for the best results. Wash the zucchini thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Trim off the ends and slice the zucchini into uniform pieces. This will help them cook evenly and fit nicely into the jars. Combine equal parts pineapple juice and water, add salt, and bring to a boil. The brine is what gives the zucchini its tangy flavor, so make sure to use high-quality pineapple juice. You can also add other spices or herbs to the brine for additional flavor. Once the brine is boiling, it's ready to be poured over the zucchini. Pack zucchini into jars, cover with brine, and remove air bubbles. Fill the jars with the sliced zucchini, leaving about ½ an inch of headspace at the top. Pour the hot brine over the zucchini, making sure they are completely submerged. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any air bubbles that may be trapped in the jars. This helps to ensure a proper seal and prevent spoilage. Process jars in a boiling water canner. Place the filled jars into a boiling water canner, making sure they are fully submerged. Process the jars for the recommended amount of time, usually around 10–15 minutes, depending on your altitude. This step is essential to kill any bacteria and ensure the safety of your canned zucchini. Once processed, let jars cool completely. Carefully remove the jars from the canner and place them on a towel to cool. Avoid placing them directly on a cold surface, as this can cause the jars to crack. Let the jars sit undisturbed for 12–24 hours to allow the seals to set properly. You should hear a satisfying pop as the jars seal. This sound indicates that the jars have sealed correctly and are ready for storage. Store the sealed jars in a cool, dark place and enjoy your tangy zucchini throughout the year. When opening the jar, the popping sound is a sign of success and a reward for your hard work in the kitchen. Dehydrating zucchini is a great way to make crunchy, healthy snacks. You'll need a dehydrator. Prep zucchini by washing and trimming. Slice into rounds or chips. Arrange in a single layer on dehydrator trays. Get creative with seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, or paprika. Set dehydrator to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Drying time varies but usually takes 6 to 8 hours. Zucchini should be leathery and brittle when done. Store in an airtight container like Mylar bags. Let's explore fermentation for a tangy, probiotic-rich boost. Fermentation uses bacteria and yeasts to preserve food. Start by scrubbing and trimming zucchini. Make a brine with water and non-iodized salt. Submerge zucchini in brine, pressing down to release air bubbles. Cover and let sit at room temperature for 3 to 7 days. Bubbles indicate fermentation. Taste after 3 days to check flavor. Once tangy enough, refrigerate to slow fermentation. Fermented zucchini lasts for several months in the fridge. Freeze-drying zucchini is the ultimate preservation method. Freeze drying removes moisture using sublimation. You'll need a freeze dryer. Prep zucchini by washing, trimming, and slicing. Blanch for a minute or two to preserve color and texture. Arrange on freeze dryer trays. Set freeze dryer according to instructions. Process takes 12 to 24 hours. Store freeze-dried zucchini in airtight containers. They last for several months or even years. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, each method has its own advantages and considerations, so you can choose the best technique that suits your storage space, preferences, and desired outcome. Thanks for watching.